GitHub Copilot just became the most expensive mistake in coding history. Developers are watching their monthly bills explode from $29 to $3,000 overnight. Today is June 1st, 2026, and Microsoft flipped the switch on token-based pricing this morning. Some developers are reporting costs jumping from $50 to $3,000 overnight. Here's what actually happened. Remember that unlimited feeling you got with Copilot's flat rate? Gone. Microsoft replaced their premium request unit system with GitHub AI credits that burn through faster than crypto in a bear market. The $10 Pro plan still says $10, but now you get $10 worth of AI credits. Once those are gone, you're done. No more fallback to cheaper models. And here's the kicker. They train developers to use Copilot like a bottomless pit. Long coding sessions, complex refactoring, agentic workflows that spawn multiple AI calls. Microsoft encouraged this behavior for 2 years. Now they're saying, surprise, each of those interactions costs real money. One developer on Reddit did the math. A single intensive session with Claude Opus can burn through an entire month's $39 Pro Plus allocation in one session. But it gets worse. Code review now consumes GitHub Actions minutes on top of the AI credits. So you're getting double billed for automation you thought was included. The community is in absolute chaos. TechCrunch reports developers are already migrating to alternatives en masse. OpenAI's Codex, Anthropic's Claude Code, even local models that cost nothing after setup. Here's what Microsoft's actually doing. They're ending the AI subsidy era. For 2 years, they bled money to get developers hooked. Now that everyone's dependent on AI coding, they're making you pay the true cost. The pricing breakdown is insane. Claude Haiku starts at $1 per million tokens, but Claude Opus hits $25 per million for output, and you don't get to choose which model runs. Copilot decides for you. Annual subscribers get a temporary reprieve, but their model multipliers just went up. Sonnet 4.6 went from 1 times to 9 times cost. Opus jumped from 3 times to 27 times. When their subscriptions expire, they drop to Copilot free. The real victims are small teams and solo developers who loved Copilot precisely because it felt like a utility bill. Predictable, unlimited, just worked. But here's the thing, this was always coming. Every AI company is moving to usage-based pricing. Anthropic just announced changes, Google's switching Gemini to credits. OpenAI's token costs keep climbing. The flat rate era is dead because agentic AI costs are astronomical compared to simple code completion. Microsoft's just the first to rip off the band-aid. So, what should you do? If you only use basic code completion, stay put. Those are still free. If you're a light chat user, the $10 plan might still work. But if you're doing heavy agentic work, you have options. Claude Code gives you $20 monthly for Claude Pro access. Cursor has a VS Code-like experience with transparent pricing. Local models like DeepSeek cost almost nothing to run. The irony is perfect. GitHub trained developers to depend on AI, then made AI unaffordable for the people who need it most. Welcome to the post-subsidy AI economy. Hope you budgeted for it. If this breakdown saved you from a surprise $3,000 bill, smash that like button and subscribe for daily tech reality checks. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.